engine air filter. What you're gonna do is pop the hood. So you pop it from the inside, reach across, should be centered, press towards the passenger, lift up. Here's your hood latch here, right? Prop rod up. Okay, and the air filter is these release tabs on it. So we release those. 1, 2, 3, 4. You should be able to lift this out. Oh, so it's still on there. There we go. So lift it up, push it out like this. Okay, just twist it out of the way. Now, it'll look really clean from this point of view, probably. Because this is where it gets sucked into the engine. The bottom is where you'll see the dirt. Now this, she doesn't get a lot of mileage on her car, so it looks really clean. But I bought her a new one. So here's the difference in color. And I've touched it, so now it's dirty. All right. And there's a tab. It goes in the tab hole here. So let me bring that over. Slide it in to the tab hole. Press it down. Don't press on the filter. Press on the outside. And then we're just going to rotate this back in. Slide it forward. Get the pipe back in. Slide it all the way in. And then once it's seated fully, then you can put these tabs back in. These are neat. I like these. This is much better than like putting in screws. All right. Okay, so take a close up on the tab. So to open it like this, to close it, put that back on, and then rotate it. It's like a cam lock. All right, good. Finished. See how long that took? You'll save, I don't know, $50 on that doing it yourself. Anyway, thanks for watching.